emotion from the look in your eyes. You've been to love, that love falls apart. Your little piece of heaven turns to dark. Listen to your heart when she's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. But listen to your heart before you tell her goodbye. Sometimes you wonder if this fight is worthwhile. Those precious moments are all lost in the tide. You swept away and nothing is what it seems. The feeling of belonging to your dream. Listen to your heart.